We're going to move on to look at percentages this week, but before we do, I just want to recap a couple of things that we did earlier in the school year. So first of all, let's have a look at the number line on the board. How would you represent the section that has been circled? So looking at this bit here, how could you work out what that value is? Well, we know that the number line is going from 0 to 20. Let's have a look to see how many parts a number line is split into. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. So if this number line has been split into 10 parts, we could do 20 divided by 10 is 2. So we know that each of these here must be worth 2. So if each of these are worth 2, we know we can go 2, 4, 6. So we know this one must be 6. Let's just double check that works. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. So what is this value here? Well, this time we're going from 20 to 40. So we know from 20 to 40 has got a difference of 20. It's been split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts again. So we know then that each of these parts is worth 2 again. That then must be 22, 24, and this one must be 26. Okay, I want you to pause the video and have a go at this one. Then you can come back and check your answer, and that way you'll know whether you understand and you'll be able to follow what we're doing. Okay, so you should have paused the video. If you haven't, make sure you pause it before you look at the answer and have a try. Okay, now this time we're going from 200 to 500. So we know that that's a 300 difference. Okay, because 500 take away 200 gives us 300. We're still splitting this into 10 parts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just double checked. So we're doing the 300 divided by 10 is going to give us 30. So we know that each one of these jumps this time, we're adding 30. Okay. So that means that this one here must be 230. That doesn't look like a 2, does it? So then we've got 200, 230. Another 30 will give us 260. That is going to be 290. Okay, again, pause the video once I've put the next one up. Pause the video and have a try at this one, and then you can come back and check your answer again. So we're going from 2,500 to 2,200. So the difference is 300. What's different about this one, though? Yeah, this time we've gone down, haven't we? So we've gone from 2,500 down by 300 to 2,200. Okay, so we do need to make sure, I'm going to make a little note here that this is going down. Okay, so I don't forget that in a minute. So again, it's split into 10, so I can divide this by 10, and we know then that each of these jumps is worth 30. But this time, remember, we're going down by 30 each time, not going up. So we then know that this one must be 2, 4, 70, because we went down by 30. This one is going to be 2, 4, 40. And then this one must be 2, 4, 10. Last one. The number that we've been given this time is in a different position, but the same thing works. I know from here, okay, so from this point to this point is worth 24. Now this has been split into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, so 24 divided by 4. Now you can halve your 24 to get 12, halve it again to get 6. So we know that each of these is going up by 6. So we've got 6, 12, 18, 24. Once we've got that, we can keep going and say, well, then that must be 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. What do we notice about that? Can you see anything? Okay, straight away I'm thinking, oh look, this is going up by 6 each time. We know the number line was split into 10 parts. That could have been a shortcut for us. We could have said, well, if I know that that's from here to here is 6, and I know I've got 10 lots of that, I could have been thinking, well, then that's 6 times 10. So it's always worthwhile looking out for those shortcuts when we're doing our working.